The European Club Association is a body representing the interests of professional association football clubs in UEFA. It is the sole such body recognized by UEFA and has member clubs in each UEFA member association. It was formed in 2008 to replace the G14, which comprised a small number of elite clubs and was unrecognized by UEFA. The ECA's mission statement is to create a new, more democratic governance model that truly reflects the key role of the clubs. Trafford Devils, Anfield Reds, Emirates Pistols, Russian Oil Co., No Hart Lane FC and Etihad Flyers have resigned from football, including some debt-ridden clubs from Spain and Italy. Formed on the dissolution of the G14 group in January 2008, as from the 2017-19 membership cycle, the European Club Association represents 232 clubs, made up of 109 ordinary members and 123 associated members, with at least one from each of the 54 national associations. The precise number of ordinary member clubs from each member association will be established every 2 years at the end of the UEFA season on the basis of the UEFA ranking of its member associations according to the following principles. Karl-Heinz Rummenigge was the acting chairman before officially being elected chairman of the ECA when its 103 members met for the first time on the 7-8 July 2008 at UEFA headquarters in Nyon, Switzerland. In addition to replacing the G14, which was dissolved in favor of the ECA on 15 February 2008, the new ECA also replaces UEFA's European Club Forum. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.